We hear the world around us in vibrant detail, from the whisper of leaves to the roar of a city. But for millions, these sounds are muffled, distorted, or simply out of reach. Hearing loss is a global challenge, affecting 1 in 5 people worldwide. But what if a new technology could restore and enhance human hearing, mimicking the very way our brains process sound? Scientists have created deep neural networks, complex computer models trained on massive datasets of audio sounds. These AI models are learning to listen just like us, developing internal structures that echo our own auditory system. As these AI ears listen, they generate representations of sound that mirror the activation patterns seen in our brains. It's not just mimicking, it's understanding sound in a human-like way. Just like our own ears, these AI models learn best when trained in noisy environments. By simulating real-world soundscapes, they can adapt to the cacophony of everyday life. This means future hearing aids and cochlear implants could be personalized to individual needs, filtering out noise and enhancing clarity in real time. Imagine hearing every word in a crowded cafe or navigating a busy street with confidence. This research goes beyond replicating human hearing. It sheds light on how our brains process and interpret sound. The study confirms the hierarchical organization of the auditory cortex, where different stages handle specific aspects of sound processing. By studying these AI models, we can learn more about how our brains specialize in extracting different kinds of information from sound. This knowledge can help us diagnose and treat hearing disorders, and even develop new therapies for neurological conditions. The future of hearing is no longer silent. With AI as our guide, we can create a world where everyone can experience the full symphony of sound, free from the limitations of hearing loss. From hearing aids that adapt to your surroundings to brain-computer interfaces that translate sound directly into neural signals, the possibilities are endless. The future of hearing is sound, and it's powered by AI. Let's listen together to the possibilities.